Hi everyone, it's Annalisa here at Creative Memories Home Office. I'm the creative content manager here at the home office, and I am here to share an exciting new product that we have come up with that I think is going to make your scrapbooking life a lot easier. So, this product is called the Sorting Mate, and we've been developing this with an idea that we want to make your workspace cleaner and easier so that you have more room to scrap and less space dedicated to all of the different cut apart pieces and scraps and all of the things that come along with scrapbooking that can kind of make your desk space quite messy. We want to allocate all of those cut apart pieces from our playbooks and our guidebooks and even our project recipe kits where there's multiple projects associated with that one cutting guide where you can place all of those cut apart pieces in one spot that is creating vertical space here for you rather than having it spread across your craft table. So I'm really excited about this. I know this is going to make my crafting life a lot easier, and I'm excited to share a little bit more about the product. It's a plastic material with this nice elastic band that keeps it secure. So that way, let's say you have all of your cut apart pieces in here and you want to kind of store it away for the next day of crafting. You don't want to finish the entire playbook in one night. You can do that and you can just add the elastic band right around it, keeps it nice and safe. You can also keep it just upright like this. You'll see it opens up nicely so that it just sits on your desk space as this vertical space, which is so nice. It keeps your desk space so clean, and you can really dedicate your space to the actual crafting. You'll notice that it has pockets here that go up from project 1 through project 6. And our project playbooks and project guidebooks typically have 4 to 6 projects. There is an extra back pocket or front pocket, depending on what way you're kind of viewing it. So, what's great about the sorting mate is it comes with these little flags that have the number on it. So, this is 6, and you can place them in the little tabs here so that all of these tabs can actually be raised up with the flags so you can sort through even when you have those larger pieces. So there's a little pocket here in the back that has 6 of these flags so that you slide them right into this little slot. It keeps it nice and secure, and you are able to add your larger pieces. It is going to be a great solution for all of the many cut apart pieces. And I'm going to tell you a little bit how you can use it with our project playbooks. So I have my sorting made off to the side here. And right here, I have the perfect match project playbook. And so within our project playbooks that have started from February 2026, we have changed the way we've written our cutting guides. So each cutting guide used to be assigned by page number of that cutting guide, but now each cutting guide piece is assigned by project. So whatever that number is, that is the assigned project, which makes it super easy to be able to immediately sort your papers into our sorting mate. So this actually has quite a few one projects in this designer paper one, but I immediately would put it in the project one folder. And as I move on to designer paper two, I have some project ones, I have some project twos, and then in designer paper three, I have mostly project ones. So I'm adding those into the project one folder. And then I also have project two and three. So then I add those into the project two and project three folders in my sorting mate. So what you might notice is that our previous project playbooks from February 2026 and before have the cutting guides where each cutting guide page is assigned a label by that page number. So everything from cutting guide 1 is labeled 1 and then the letter. Everything from cutting guide 2 is 2A, 2B, 2C, etc., going on to 3, 4, 5, and more and more. And so, what we want you guys to know is that you can still use this sorting mate with our older playbooks. The step in between is what you're going to need to remember. When you are cutting your cutting guides, you can sort them assigned by their papers, but then go to project one and check off what pieces are involved with that project. And then you can tuck those away into your sorting mate Do that for project 2, project 3. Get those into your sorting mate and sorted away, set up on your desk so that you can get to crafting without a million pieces and piles on your craft table. We're really excited about this new product, and we think it's going to be a game changer for organizing your crafting space, giving you more space to do what you love. There is no overwhelm, there's no chaos, and your crafting experience is smooth. We'll see you guys later, and happy crafting!